Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and catch up on missed workouts on a ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From here we can get started selecting our workouts. So let's go and take a look at how to catch up on missed workouts. So keep in mind that to be able to use ladder you need to have a pro subscription, either that or to have the free trial that is offered to you once you open up the application for the first time. So basically once you've done that, you can select your teams right here in the bottom right corner that you want to be a part of and follow its workouts, and from here we can get started doing workouts. So let's go and take a look at how to catch up on missed workouts. Basically you're simply going to resume with the current day's schedule workout or use the calendar feature to go back and complete previous sessions. As you can see right here at the top of the screen, we have the calendar where we can go and take a look at previous days and what our workouts were. So you can go and select them right here and then tap on them to go ahead and continue with the workout. It's going to enable you to either reschedule them for today or just go and complete them from a previous day, as this is allowed by the application, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.